So I'm working heaps, unfortunately. But Matt's been smashing the van out, so we'll just have a look. It's gonna be a bit difficult maybe to follow because obviously he's not gonna film himself while doing this, so I'll just have to catch you up on what's been done as well as catch myself up. I can already see. Let's put the water in, so that's exciting. We're kind of at this point where we've got a lot of the foundation done, but now we're just waiting on some pieces to arrive, like the electronic boards and stuff like that, so that we can start putting the walls in without worrying about having to take them out just to run cables and stuff like that around. But today, hopefully, we're gonna put one wall in. Yeah. Beauty. This older wood is I feel like it has so much more character. It's got, I don't know what happened to it, but it's got these little rivets and it's gonna look really cool, I think. Really, really cool.
I'm back.
Hi.
You're doing this without me now, are you?
Yeah.
You don't need me.
Nope. Yeah, boy. Oh, good. So today, you get to see if this idea actually worked. I'm gonna sand it all back and hopefully come out with some really cool bench tops. Well, the glue does not look very good sanded back. That might be a problem. I really like the darkness of these woods. It's the same that this one was, but I'm hoping that once I put some paint on that one that it'll go back to the darker ways, but anyway, it needs to be sanded. Yeah. We've got our safety boots on.
Safety glasses. Safety squint.
Matt the slacker is at work today, so I'm on my own for this little van and hope I don't fuck it up. Watch out, Matt. I'm the new electrician in town. Look at this. One of the most annoying parts of using used wood is that you have to try and find wood that is the same width to be able to not make it look completely crap on the walls. And that is way harder than you think it would be. Especially using pellets, you'd think they're all the same, but they're very much not. Yeah. Like a bloody glove. Whoa! How good. Look who decided to show up to work. Lazy. You're just gonna sit here, open presents while I work, drinking a beer.
You got a problem?
I didn't sign up for this. Buddy Carpenter. Right,
Cool.
you're back on the team. Any leaks?
Dry as a bone. This one was the culprit, but dry.
Yeah, buddy.
Smells of cold actually. Take two.